Alright, hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to wipe these scratches on here. Alright. You're gonna need this kind of soap, look. These. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Rub all the soap until you don't feel no more soap. Let me just soap small. Rub it all. Smells really good. Alright. Now, I'm gonna wipe it. As you can see, it's Modern Warfare. It's Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Alright, we're done. Now, let's check it. Well, we can't check it right now. We'll make another part 2, but this could work. So
we're gonna do another gameplay on Friday.
Yeah. So this can work. I'll show you on Friday. Alright.
Bye guys.
Bye.